What is up, YouTube? Hey everybody, Matt Third Channel here. Well, as you can see, I'm here at a place, a hotel, obviously. Got another adventure for you guys today. Let me go ahead and step on out right here and show you guys where I'm at. Let's go ahead and turn you guys around here. Nice little hotel. Got it hooked up real nice. I like the themes of the doors, a little Hawaiian theme, pretty nice. So we are down here in, I guess it's be considered Brianna Park. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but in that realm of area, because we are going to, you guys probably wondering what we're doing here. So, first of all, this is where we're staying. The Dixie, Orange County. So, yeah, this is our spot. So we are making our way tonight towards Knott's Berry Farm, which is just down the street, about, I don't know, about 7 minutes down the street. And we are going to not Scary Farm, not Berry Farm, but Scary Farm. So yeah, this is our hotel we're staying at. Pretty nice. A lot of traffic down here. Went through a lot just to get down here from my location where I live, but we made it. Here we go. It's a nice old-fashioned sign there. Looks real nice. All right, guys. So here we go. Starting our adventure down here, Knott's Scary Farm. It's about 5 o'clock right now. Sun's getting ready to go down, and we're gonna get started here. All right, so as you can see, that's my rental we got today. The one that's lit up. Nice little car. Ford, what was it? A Ford Focus. That's what it was. A nice little sunroof on top. It was nice. Nice little trip on the way down. All right, guys. So I wanted to show you a little. Boom! I want to show you guys a little bit of the room. So step inside with me, and I'll show you guys a little look. First of all, let's take a look at the. Let's take a look at the door here. Nice, cool little door there, huh? Nice little. I like that. Pretty cool. Anyway, all right. Let's step inside. All right, so this is the Dixie Inn down here in Brianna Park. I got conjoined rooms with my sister here. 2 king queen beds, not bad. I did get a deal off of Expedia or whatever it was, one of those hotel sites, you know. But nice TV here, not bad. Nice new flooring, very clean. I love that it had a microwave. That's great. Refrigerator, already packed, ready to go. All right, guys, yeah, nice little area here for doing all your brushing your teeth, you know, all that stuff. They got a nice little, you know, it's pretty typical, you know, it's pretty basic, but shit, worked for me. And then I did get a shower ready, so it's been a little messed up already here, but here's a shower, not bad. Nice hot, warm water. Floor is also wooden all the way through, but not bad, guys. So I do suggest that, you know, you guys coming down here, stay here at the Dixie. It's not too bad. We're about 7 minutes from Knott's. We're gonna actually Uber down there. So, all right, guys, it's Knott's Scary Farm. Let's do this. I'm ready. All right, guys, I just want to show you some of the gear I'm using tonight. Of course, I'm gonna be using this phone right here. I'm actually gonna be using the forward cam, because my reverse cam actually is having focus problems right now. So this seems to be nice and clear. Focus is fine. But I'm also going to be using this cam. It's the ODR VM action cam. I bought it offline, about 35 bucks. It's waterproof. Right now it's charging right now. I want to have a full charge. So I'll be having that too as an extra video footage, see what that catches. If that catches some good stuff, I'll use it. If not, then nah. But anyway, so I'll be recording with this, and with that, got all my gear out, ready to go, recording. If you see, it came with all this gear too. It was a great price. All the gear came with it. I have this cam too, but I'm not going to be using it. This is actually my gun cam for my airsoft YouTube videos, but I won't be using this. I'm going to go ahead and use this tonight. So, all right, guys. So yeah. Looking forward to seeing what kind of footage I might catch there at Knott's Scary Farm. So I know it's going to be dark, so we'll see what we can get. So, all right, guys. See you later. So we got the Knott's Berry Farm train. Looking spooky as ever. Oh wow. Yeah, it's right down this way. The haunted train.
It makes it look like
The depths. Our first maze for tonight. Alright guys, we're going into the depths. The depths. Oh shit, something touched my face. Oh my god, get it off. Get it off. Sexual harassment. Okay, it's dark right now. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, he got me. It's so foggy in here, guys. I'm doing my best with the action cam. Oh, we're going through a tunnel right now. The tunnel is actually the Bones rib cage. Oh, wow. Someone scared us. Oh, I can't see. Oh, they got you. Oh, wow. Wow, it's cool in here. It's lit up real nice. Yeah, he's lit up. We got the lasers going. This is like a party. I love how, look at that. It's like a little, like a layer. Whoa, wow, oh shit. He got me, that was awesome. It's like a layer, like a wall. Awesome. He got me good. That was awesome. Okay, guys, I'm gonna push my way through. I'm touching these nasty spines, bloody spines. Oh, there's somebody right there. Is it Jason? It's Jason. Oh no, it's just a dead guy. Oh my god, we're on a boat. Oh, that's awesome. I love it. Oh my god. She got me. Oh, Davy Jones. Sir. Oh my god, it's Jaws. Someone told me to not stop and keep going. Alright, we did it. Alright guys, we are going up to Dark Entities, but I'm not going to record it just because I don't want to record every maze, just a few. I would like to enjoy it, so I'm going in Dark Entities. Let's do it.
Come on down. Right this way, brothers and sisters all. Enter into the church of the chainsaw tonight at the Red Barn.
The church of Satan.
Brother, may the spirit of Christ be with you tonight.
Yeah. Amen.
Praise be the chainsaw.
Amen.
Come on down. One and all, I call you now. One and all, short and tall, we do call you now to the Church of the Chainsaw. Here at the Red Barn in Calico.
Alright guys, this is the Red Barn. Oh my gosh. What is that? I'm a vegetarian. Very dark, very dark. Oh my god. Oh damn, what's up my deal? The Red Barn. Okay, apparently we're being sold as chickens or Okay, wow. She getting raped. Bodies everywhere. Dig anyone? Ma'am, are you okay, ma'am? Ma'am. No! Alright guys, I'm just walking by this coaster. It goes straight up and drops you down. Boom. I mean, that seems badass. It's called the Hang Time. We're getting escorted to Shadowlands. This guy's escorting us right now. Making sure we don't get hurt or something. I just stepped on a... Oh, and here's the end of the line. Bada bing, bada boom, we're here.
Oh, 50.
Shadowlands.
Oh, thank you.
Supreme Scream, Knott's Berry Farm. I have been on this ride a couple times actually. Epic. Shadowlands. So I'm about to enter Shadowlands, but I'm not going to record it because I want to just enjoy it. But I will be recording some of the other mazes. But just so you guys know, Shadowlands. Let's do it. What is this? Oh my God. I don't know what it is. That's a haunted tree. Okay, we're in a scare zone here. They have haunted trees and stuff. They're all around us. Just so I can see on the way in. Is that the haunted truck? It is. The haunted truck. And a pirate. Oh my gosh. I almost got killed right now, guys. Alright. Happy Halloween. So they lit up the rocks down here. They put pumpkins in there. We got the water flowing. So they pretty much have rocks with some pumpkins in here. We're obviously close to Pumpkin Eater, which we are making our way. Getting scared along the way.
Oh my God!
Pumpkin Eater. Alright guys, I'm gonna record it. Pumpkin eater, let's do it. Alright. I'm taking right now.
Pumpkin eater had a wife and couldn't keep her. Put her in a pumpkin shell, and there he kept her very well.
Now there's pumpkins in here, right? Pumpkin eater.
A full moon, a cloudless sky. Another death, no reason why.
Love it. Hi. She's so cute. Are you okay? Oh my God. Whoa! We're inside of a pumpkin. I don't smell it. We're inside of a rotting pumpkin. What is that? Okay, this is like a tight maze. This is tight. Okay, we're in a maze right now. It's tight. I can't see nothing. I have no idea what's in front of me. We're in a small, tight area. Wow. They really put you inside the pumpkin. What is that? Oh my God! What happened? I was like, what happened? Alright, that was Pumpkin Eater, guys. I know you didn't see a lot of it, but it was great. That was great. Alright. Pumpkin Eater. Alright guys, let's do it. Dark Ride. I'm really excited about this one. Dark Ride, guys. Dark Ride. Alright. Ready? Alright. Oh, what happened to him? Look it, it's like a track. See the track? Dark Ride. Oh, dang. Coming up. It's King Kong! I don't like it. Make it go away. There's clowns. Ah! Oh my God. What is this madness? Oh my God. Nice. We did it, guys! Dark ride, we made it through. That was awesome. Okay guys, that's it. That was a all day vlog here at Knott's Scary Farm. I want to get a front view here for you guys. Even says Knott's Scary Farm. Alright guys, that ends all day vlog today, or tonight. Look forward to more vlogs coming up. We got the holidays coming up, so alright guys, peace out. Good morning guys, just got up after a nice peaceful rest after getting home pretty late last night here at the Dixie Inn. Yeah, so thanks for watching guys. We had a blast last night. Knott's Scary Farm. It's early morning now. I'm gonna go down and get some breakfast. Might do a little vlog down here, take a look around and stuff. So, all right, guys. All right, guys. Good morning. It is the next day after the scary time at Knott's last night. We had a great time. Thank you for coming along with us. So, just do a quick little look around the hotel room, see what's going on. I told you guys I'm going to show the pool in the morning, show you what it looks like, and all that stuff. So we got home, I'd say about 2 o'clock last night. Not sure if the pool's even open yet. Let me see. I'd like to show you guys the pool here. It is open. All right, guys. Oh, they got nice little cabanas here. That's nice. Nice little seating areas here. The other one's empty. The seats are pulled out here. Nice little pool. So, I'm assuming this is the original pool. Since the Dixie has been here. They got a nice little art back here. Not bad. Looks like it goes to 6 feet. Good enough to swim in. Nice little art right there. I like it. Very California. Of course, they got your seat for disabled people there if you need to get in the pool, so that's great. Alright guys, I'm thinking about going ahead and seeing if they have any breakfast left this morning. I might be a little late, so we'll see. I'm gonna at least just get some coffee or something. cereals here. Some breads, oatmeal. Oh, orange juice, what? Alright guys, so I ended up getting orange juice instead of coffee. I figured might as well go healthy. Small little snack bar in there, nothing huge. Not a 3-course meal or anything like that, but alright guys, so that's the Dixie Hotel here where I stayed for last night's adventure. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, alright guys, all day vlog, bye. Alright guys, before we leave, we're gonna go ahead and leave the maid a little gift here in the hotel room. Looks like a little body wrapped up, little Halloween trick. So just having a little fun here before we leave the hotel and head home. So all right, bye. Okay guys, this is what the maid will see when she walks in. That's gonna be great. Okay. Not Scary Farm is over.
Oh.